Going on 12 years.
Going on 21 years.
Going on 6 years.
3 years.
Oh man, I've even thought about this before.
Another one bites the dust.
And I have so many good ones.
Fat bottom girls.
Angelina Jolie.
Ric Flair. Woo! John Wayne.
Rest his soul, Paul Walker.
Greg Watson, Matt Smith,
Tom Dickens.
5. Wiley Rourke. He's a heck of a businessman.
Travis Barnes, Corey Osborne.
If they'd allow it, the tack truck operator, and I'd get the gold.
Curling.
I would love to be a figure skater and know nothing about it.
Bud Light truck, loaded of course.
Milk in a boat and gas. I like milk. I want to get the hell out, and I want to get the hell out of there.
Maymead values their employees.
It's people.
Naked and Afraid.
Holiday Baking Championship on the Food Network.
Nay, nay.
Killer.
Everybody that knows me calls me sis.
So
Since 1999.
37, 38 years.
43 years. Close to 40 years.
The family, really.
Family.
Family.
Family. Family.
Yeah, I keep telling people that, but nobody will agree with me.